Hi guys, welcome to Ultimate Forex. Today 15th October and let's we continue the gold chart. As we have discussed yesterday that we are in a C wave correction. This is the wave one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have seen A, B and C correction. So let's continue. I have little bit confusion about this wave. This is either five wave structure or two third wave structure. So I think this is the five wave structure. So we can change the level. This one is A, B, and this is the C wave. And this is I consider as a new five wave structure. Let's see the chart. You can see here. This is wave one, and this is wave one, two, three, and four, and fifth. So this is the new impulse wave, and the third wave is more than the first wave extension. You can see first and fifth wave is around 100%, and third wave is more than the first wave. So Iliad wave is okay here. So I can give it as a wave one, and this correction I labeled it as a wave 2. So is wave 1, 2. Okay. And now we are in a, let's see, this second wave is not yet completed. You can analyze this wave. You can see this is the 5 zigzag kind of correction. One, one, two, three, four, five, two, three. I cannot identify this structure, but this one is impulsive move. So I can see the five wave structure is complete here. 3, 4, and 5. If I give label it, is wave 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is the first zigzag. Then this one is correction. So 5, 3, and 5 may appear. You can see here 5, 3, and 5. So if we see another 5 moves, we may see up to the, yeah, this one is our low. So we should not go below the 1872 if we see another 5 wave zigzag correction. Let's go inside that. So our second wave is either complete here or it may complete around this area. But I have seen here this wave we may see consider as a ABC correction. See, 0, A, B and C. Yeah, it is not five wave zigzag, but it's A, B and C. So this is called A, B and C wave is in a five wave structure. You can see this C wave one, 2, 3. This is 4 and 5th. So C completed here around 1882. So our second wave we forecast complete here. Now, okay, wait a minute. Now, see this structure. Yesterday we have developed from here to here. So we try to count the waves. We cannot see here 1 and 2 wave. So I forecast it as a 0, 1 and 2 is not appear here. This one is third, fourth and fifth. Okay, and we are in a correction. So we can see here fifth wave is extended. Let's see the wave. 0 to 3. We can see this one is nearly 123 percentage. So whenever fifth wave is extended, we can see sharp fall. So our first fall is up to the preceding fourth wave. You can see as a wave. 0 A. Now we may see retracement up to the this high around 1905, and C wave we may see near the preceding second wave. So I'm forecasting this kind of pattern. C B and C wave up to the 188. So this one is 1905 and this low may be 188, and we should not go below the 1882. This one. So from here we may see a need towards the 1920. So this is the one scenario. If we close below the 1882, then our structure is invalidate. If we close below the 1882, then we will consider it as a new downfall from the this level. Then we consider as a this is wave 1, 2, and third impulse is from down towards the 1861. So this one is very important level 1882. If we hold 1882, we will see another up move. If we break the 1882, we will see towards the 1867. So this is how I label. And another discussion is let's see US 30. Yeah. US 30 is in a fifth wave. So yes, you can see here 17,000 is around wave 1, 2, 3, 4. This is inverted flat, and we are in a fifth wave. So inside the fifth wave, wave 1, 2, 3, and fourth wave may complete around 28,450 to 28,550, and then we may see a fifth wave up to the 29,000. So this is the US 30 chart. You may see like this: A, B, C. This one is A, B, and C wave is in a five-wave structure. You can see here: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth. So today we may see a bounce. See complete here, fourth wave complete here, and today we may see towards the 29,000. So this is the US 30 chart. Hope you guys understand the video, and if you like my videos you can subscribe and share it for the needy person. Thank you.